Hi everyone! We're back with another routine video and I'm in my living room again. Actually, hindi ko alam kung magiging first or second time nyo tong makikita ako sa living room ko. But for this video, we're going to be doing my brightening body care routine for the summer. Now, as you guys know, ang summer talaga is actually the time that we're most prone to dark spots, dark marks, dark areas sa skin natin, or in general, just discoloration. Kasi ito talaga yung time na super malakas yung araw. And as you guys know, isa talaga yun sa mga strongest causes ng dark spots or dark pigment formation sa body natin. And tayo pang mga Pinoy, may habit kasi talaga tayo na nagsiskincare lang when the damage is done. Pero actually, ang best skincare is what is preventative. As in, yung pangungunahan mo para hindi siya mangyari. So in this video, I'll be sharing and doing my usual body care routine before and during the summertime para as much as possible ma-reduce ang sun damage. And aside from that, yung mga side effects din ng sun damage, which is mga dark spots as well as skin aging. Obviously, it won't be 100% reduced, pero at least napiga talaga natin yung protection na makukuha natin from our skincare products. So that being said, start na tayo with our body care routine. Alright, so first things first, just so you guys know, ang skin type ko sa body is normal. Acne prone siya dati. As in, hindi na ako masyadong binibreakout sa chest or sa back, so I just consider it normal now kasi wala namang parang very urgent na concern sa katawan ko. And speaking of concerns, ang concern natin for this video is more on preventing the signs of aging and discoloration, meaning mga dark spots, dark marks. Meanwhile, I feel very blessed to not have any skin conditions aside from yung naging acne ko from before, but I actually still do have some maintenance products, or actually one maintenance product na lang para ma-prevent yung chest and back acne ko from ever coming back. It's also what I use for regular exfoliation sa katawan ko, and it's actually still the same as last year and last year and last year. It's still a salicylic acid body wash. And this is also my step 1. So ito, ever since na-release siya, ito talaga yung consistently kong ginagamit talaga, as in day and night. And everyday ko na rin siya ginagamit. This is from the brand Lux Organics and it's their Dermapro Salicylic Acid 2% Acne Rescue Serum Antibacterial Body Wash. Di ba? Ang haba na naman ng pangalan talaga. Every time sinasabi ko yung pangalan ng product na to, para ako nagtatong twister. But anyway, just to show you guys, ito actually is already an empty bottle and this one is a brand new one that I'm using. Na actually hindi na masyadong as brand new, parang dito na, hanggang dito na yung product niya. And ito talaga guys, I would say ito pa rin ang most accessible in terms of availability and price. Kasi nasa Watson's to and 299 pesos lang siya for ilang ml ba to? 500 ml siya, which is actually a really good deal. Meron kasing mga ibang products sa market that I've mentioned before, like yung Extra Care Salicylic Acid na parang 100 plus pesos lang, pero ang bilis niya kasing ma-out of stock. And it's not something that you can very easily get the same day. Kunyari pupunta ka lang sa Watson's, bibilin mo. And ito kasi never to na-out of stock talaga. But anyway, if you want a more in-depth review of this, you can check my previous body care routine video from last year wherein mas in-explain ko siya. But basically, ang masasabi ko lang talaga guys, kung gusto mo ng max strength na 2% salicylic acid, perfect ito. Even if ibabad mo pa siya sa body mo for 1 minute. Kasi meron talaga mga iba, diba, na binababad talaga nila para mas mag-penetrate yung mga ingredients. This one, kahit 1 minute mo siyang iiwan, it's formulated in a way na hindi niya may irritate or madadry out yung skin mo. Kahit may salicylic acid siya. Kasi ito, gentle cleansing agents, tas meron pang ceramides and other hydrating and soothing ingredients to really offset any potential dryness or irritation sa skin. So like I said a while ago, same lang yung body wash ko sa daytime and nighttime routine ko, and it's this, but from there, from the cleanser step, medyo umiiba na yung daytime and yung nighttime routine ko. So unahin muna natin yung daytime routine ko, wherein my next step is actually not a deodorant but an underarm serum. And yes, this is more of an underarm serum, not so much a deo, kasi sa gabi na ako nagdi-deodorant talaga or antiperspirant. And actually about that, I'll explain more later on. So the reason why meron akong underarm serum sa daytime is because this actually targets yung underarms ko para ma-maintain yung pantay na skin tone niya, while at the same time addressing yung texture ng underarms ko kasi medyo mabuhok yung underarms ko. And then sometimes kapag sinishave ko siya, medyo nagkaka-texture siya, which is very normal. But with the ingredients ng underarm serum na to, medyo nasusmoothen out niya siya. And by the way, this product is also from the brand Lux Organics, pero promise, hindi nila sponsored yung video na to. Nagkataon lang na sunod-sunod. But this product is called their their Zero Dark Marks and Textured Skin Multi-Acid Deodorant. Na okay, alam ko na iniisip ninyo, akala ko ba hindi deodorant? Bakit may deodorant sa pangalan? Now, technically, yeah, it does have a little bit of deodorant properties, but I want you to think of this as serum na may konting deodorant. Compare nyo dun sa product ni Dove na yun, deodorant na may konting serum. Gets ba? Ang main ingredient kasi nito, wala siyang yung parang tawas or parang aluminum na deodorizing ingredients. Ang main ingredient kasi nito is a 5% alpha hydroxy acid or AHA blend. As you guys know, exfoliant na ingredient siya, and actually basically medyo marami talaga siyang advantages when it comes to body care. Isa na doon yung may konting deodorizing properties siya, pero kung malakas talaga yung BO mo, as in putok. Grabe yung ang OA ko dun sa putok. I don't think it's going to work as well for you. Marami kasi talagang mga Pinoy super pawisin talaga sila, di ba? So I'm already telling you now, it's not as strong as a deo. Kaya tinatreat ko rin siya more as a serum. But anyway, apply ko na siya, and ito talaga guys, marami talagang advantages ang mga AHAs or yung mga AHA exfoliant sa skincare. Kasi ang ginagawa nila is they exfoliate yung top layer ng skin natin. So they're really good at fading dark spots or dark marks na naandyan na. Yung very stubborn, yung parang matagal na silang naandyan talaga sa underarms mo because they're the ones na umangat na talaga sa top layer ng skin mo. So may brightening properties siya, and kasi nga top layer yung ina-exfoliate mo, it also really helps with our skin's texture. So especially if meron kang chicken skin or what dermatologists call keratosis pilaris, yung mga bumps na usually nasa braso din natin. And yung chicken skin kasi needs both exfoliation and hydration. And the ingredient that could give you both of that are your AHAs. Kasi hindi lang sila exfoliant, nag-hold din sila ng hydration sa skin natin. Kaya rin ito yung usual na nire-recommend as an exfoliant for those na hindi lang may dry skin but also textured skin. Actually, even for those pa nga na may chicken skin na hindi lang sa underarms, again, kasi mas common siya sa braso, di ba? I would really say, pwede to for that, as in, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito sa arm na area mo. Kasi talaga guys, sad to say, ito pa lang yung 5% AHA product for the body na makikita mo sa Watsons. For some reason, sobrang limited na mga AHA body products natin when it comes to like options sa Watsons. And yun talaga din guys, yung biggest frustration ko ngayon kay Watsons, as in kulang talaga sa mga exfoliating body lotions or brightening exfoliant body lotions na may good amount or percentage of AHAs. As in, pag chinek mo, yung mga available options ngayon, probably snail white lang yung available, yung color pink nila na parang glow body cream. Meron din dati yung sa Skin by BYS na 10% AHA, pero parang na-phase out na. So parang, ano na Watsons? Parang kailan kayo magdadagdag ng mga AHA options, di ba? So if anyone from Watsons is watching this, please parang awa nyo na we need our AHA exfoliating brightening body lotions. Tama na po ang kakapagawa ng niacinamide serum. Parang awa nyo na, umaapaw na. And actually, speaking of niacinamide, meron din tong niacinamide at also has alpha-arbutin and tranexamic acid, all known to be brightening ingredients. Small amounts lang sila dito though, so you won't get the full therapeutic benefit. But they are very welcome additions sa formulation na to kasi nga brightening siya, di ba? Alright, so ang routine natin so far, so body wash sa shower and then the underarm serum paglabas ko naman ng shower. So move na tayo to the next step in our routine, which is actually parang last step ko na to sa daytime routine ko. Very simple lang siya, especially since nagmamadali rin ako usually sa umaga, and that's also the reason why I have my 2-in-1 lotion and sunscreen. And actually, hindi lang ito, I actually alternate between these two options. So this one, again, same as last year, itong Vaseline Glutathione Luminous Bright Serum Burst Lotion. Honestly, still a really good product. And again, full review of this is on my body care routine from last year. Watching na lang yon para makita nyo kung bakit perfect to for the summer. But basically, Fresco feels din talaga. And so, bibigyan ko kayo ng konting preview from this consistency. Ayan o, sobrang clear consistency lang siya. No white cast, no anything. And very hydrating yung feeling niya talaga on the skin. Ako kasi personally, especially for summer, di ba, gusto mo talaga yung feeling na watery lang para very fresh yung feeling. So, okay pa rin naman si Vaseline Glutathione, but I've been finding myself reaching for this one more recently. It's from a Japanese brand na baka familiar na kayo. This is coming from the brand Hatomugi, and it's the UV Milky Gel. And oh my gosh guys, for 500 plus pesos, sabi mo na a little under 600, in fairness talaga. So ito kasi nakita ko siya sa TikTok shop, and apparently this is a favorite sa Japan for summertime specifically. personally. So medyo na-curious ako. Especially since hindi na siya bagong product, pero kailan lang din kasi sumikat si Hatong Mugi sa Pilipinas. And it's a very trusted brand, diba? So I decided to check it out. And what I really love about this is kasi kapag dinispense mo to, mukha lang siyang regular lotion, diba? But this one actually melts into a watery gel feeling. As in, super presko din yung feeling talaga sa skin. Pero syempre, since sunscreen din siya, you have to be a bit more generous in applying it. And I will say, sa start, nakikita nyo naman, diba? May konting parang white siya at first. Kasi nga, lotion consistency siya. But when you blend it onto your skin, as in, natutunaw talaga siya, guys. I promise. Super hydrating lang yung feeling niya on the skin. And actually, what I also really like, especially sa packaging niya, is yung pump. Because sa umaga, it makes it so much more easier to apply. Usually, ang ginagawa ko dito is 1 to 2 pumps per arm or per leg. And actually, guys, ito rin talaga yung ginagamit ko kapag mag-gym ako or right before I go to the gym. Kasi talaga, parang recently, sobrang umiinit na talaga. Like, nafe-feel ko yung pag-init ng weather February pa lang. May mga times na parang sobrang tirik na tirik talaga yung araw. And if you don't use a lotion na hydrating, parang ang sakit nung pagtama ng araw sa skin mo. And that's really why I put a lotion or a 2-in-1 lotion and sunscreen para talaga ma-lessen yung discomfort na yun. Kasi ewan, hindi naman sobrang dry yung skin ko, but I can imagine even for those na baka nga may eczema pa kayo or may atopic dermatitis, or I think that's just the same thing. Siguro mas masakit pa kung natamaan ka ng ganong katirik na araw, diba? Now what I will say, ang con lang talaga sa product na to is I'm not too sure about the water resistance. Parang some sources say na oo, water resistant siya. Some sources naman say na hindi, but I'll just assume na hindi kasi wala rin nakalagay dito sa main packaging. And I assume if it was actually water resistant, di ba ilalagay naman nila dun sa packaging talaga. Yun lang yung masasabi kong con talaga. As in, yung price for ilang ml ba to? 250 ml, pwede na. 500 plus, I guess it's in the mid-range. Pero talaga, I really love the feeling of this on my skin. And alam niyo naman, di ba, ang Japanese sun care products talaga, very reliable yung protection nila. They use advanced UV filters. Pero yun lang talaga, sana gumawa sila ng water-resistant version nito. And if they do, I would say pasok na to sa top 4 or even top 3 na favorite body sunscreens ko. And by the way, speaking of body sunscreens, let me know if you want an updated best body sunscreens for the summer na video. Alright, we're back and gabi na ngayon, so it's now time to do our nighttime routine naman for this body care summer routine. O diba, inantay talaga namin maging gabi para maigawa yung routine na to. But actually, yung routine din na to, medyo mabilis lang siya. Kaya talaga sinama ko na sila both in one video. Alright, so let's go back to our routine. And as I mentioned, nighttime, kapag nagsha-shower ako sa gabi, after I go home, after a long day, ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko. It's the 2% salicylic acid na body wash ni Lux Organics. But after that, we move on to our next step. And ito na yung pinaka-inaantay ninyo because this is the time where I use my antiperspirant DEO. Ito yung first thing na ina-apply ko out of the shower sa gabi. And speaking of, let me explain again why I apply my antiperspirant DEO sa gabi. Na basically, dermatologists recommend na kapag antiperspirant DEO yung gamit mo, na sa gabi mo siya ilagay even if maliligo ka the next day because of 2 reasons. Number 1, it allows for the antiperspirant to absorb better sa katawan mo. Kasi diba, iiwan mo nga siya, ilang hours ka natutulog, let's say 6, 7, 8 hours. That gives it enough time to properly absorb into your skin to block your sweat glands. Para pag gising mo the next day, fully absorbed na siya and kahit maligo ka pa, kahit hugasan mo pa siya, kahit sabunin mo pa siya, hindi na matatanggal yung na-absorb na antiperspirant for the next 24 or even 48 hours. Now, the second reason is, sa gabi kasi, hindi rin as active yung mga sweat glands natin. Kasi nga, di ba, walang araw. Yung araw kasi, syempre, mas mainit, mas gumagalaw tayo, mas napapawisan ka. And the more na mapawisan, imagine mo, parang nawawash away niya yung nilagay mong deodorant. So, yung antiperspirant na nilagay mo, hindi siya mag-absorb as much kasi nga, parang nabanlaw na siya nung pawis mo. Kaya talaga may mga iba na kahit gumamit sila ng antiperspirant, hindi pa rin nag-work sa kanila, meron pa rin silang pawis or BO. And one of the possible causes is kasi hindi siya nag-absorb ng mabuti. I mean, possible din naman na hindi strong enough yung antiperspirant na ginagamit ninyo, which actually leads me to my current na antiperspirant if kailangan nyo ng recommendation na pinakamalakas talaga na antiperspirant. This by far is my top 1 recommendation. It's from the brand Deoflex and it's their Extreme Deodorant Spray. Na last year sa body care routine ko, na-feature ko na rin yung regular version ng DeoFlex, and though okay naman yon, I really did wish they had a stronger variant kasi pawisin talaga ako. And especially during the summer, as in dumadagdag talaga. Only to realize na meron pala silang extreme version, nakalagay pa dito, 2 times better sweat protection, and in fairness guys, totoo siya. As in, ito lang talaga for me, kasi minsan nakalagay parang 24-hour protection, 48-hour protection. Ito talaga, lumalagpas ng 2 days yung effect nito. Pero I don't usually risk it. As in, ginagamit ko talaga siya mostly every night. Pero kunyari, makalimutan ko siya ng isang night, hindi sobrang parang OA yung pawis or even yung BO ko. As in, ganun. Siya lang talaga yung nakapagawa nun sa akin, and I would say this is really one of the most powerful, if not the most powerful na natry ko. As in guys, I will say even better than Dove or even better than Lux Organics na mga serum deos nila. Although I will say, si Dove at si Lux Organics, 170 pesos kasi sila, murang-mura. But this one, medyo nasa 200 plus price range siya. So it's not the more affordable option, but I will say worth it talaga kung yung main concern mo is sobrang pawisin ka and that's contributing to your BO. Siguro another con I would say is, unlike kay Dove or Lux, wala tong brightening ingredients. Although I will say, may brightening cream naman si DeoFlex that you can use along with this if you want to get the brightening benefits. And ito talaga, the reason why I find this deodorant so superior, it really is yung spray or mist packaging niya. Kasi talaga guys, sobrang convenient. Pwede mo lang ispray sa underarms mo ng ganyan, spray mo lang din siya sa kabila ng ganyan, and then tapos ka na. Super easy, wala kang mess na nagawa at all. And ito actually, pwede mo pa siyang ispray sa iba't ibang parts ng katawan mo or iba't ibang mga skin folds. For example, sa singit, pwede mo siyang ispray doon kasi diba minsan napapawisan tayo sa singit during the summertime. Pwede rin siya sa paa if you want to prevent yung foot odor from sweat na nagsistick sa socks or sa shoes mo. As in, super convenient talaga yung spray packaging niya and malakas yung product. But anyway, after my antiperspirant, move na agad tayo sa final step ng body routine ko at night. Sabi ko sa inyo, ang bilis lang talaga eh. I really try to keep it simple kasi nga meron pa akong skincare routine na ginagawa sa face. But anyway, itong last step ko is just basically my nighttime lotion. And finally guys, meron na akong nahanap na magandang lotion for the signs of aging. And this is coming from a local brand, so sobrang exciting. As in finally, after looking for so long, meron na akong nagustuhan talaga na retinol body lotion. And it's from the brand Smoochkins. It's their Retinova Replenish Plus Multivita Complex Body Serum Lotion. Ang haba naman ng pangalan. And actually ito guys, kaka-deliver lang nito sa akin because this is already my second tube or ano ba to? Second squeeze bottle. Basta. Nagustuhan ko kasi talaga to, and sa tagal-tagal kong naghahanap talaga ng retinol body lotion, I will say it's not perfect but probably good enough na. Ang hinahanap ko kasi talaga is a lotion with retinol na makakasabi sa percentage niya. But I guess, na-realize ko rin na medyo mahirap ngayon because kunyari, let's say gumawa sila ng parang 0.1% retinol body lotion. Eh di ba, sinasabi nga natin kapag gumagamit ka ng retinol, kailangan very little lang or parang a little goes a long way. So medyo mahirapan ka in a body lotion form, 'di ba? Kasi medyo marami yung kailangan mong ilagay. So baka naman masobrahan and ma-irritate yung skin mo. So dun ko rin na-realize, I think that's why they make lower percentage retinol lotions. And probably low percentage lang din yung retinol nito. But honestly guys, I really love the benefits. Sorry guys medyo nagkakalat na ako. May napuntang retinol sa watch ko. Baka pati ito makuha yung anti-aging. Char! Tanggalin muna natin siya. But anyway, this is the consistency, and yes, I can very generously apply this on my skin kasi nga low percentage naman of retinol. But aside from that, meron din tong bakuchiol and niacinamide which both help the skin tolerate retinol better. And of course, yung niacinamide, as you guys know, it also is very helpful in supporting retinol in targeting the signs of aging. At the same time, ang dami rin itong mga supporting ingredients. Like for example, meron siyang mga vitamin ingredients. Aside from niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, meron din siyang panthenol, which is vitamin B5. Meron siyang pure vitamin C but very small amount. And meron din siyang vitamin E, which is also a moisturizing ingredient. So, ang dami. And they all support yung retinol, which is also vitamin A. So, alam mo yun, parang ang dami talaga niyang vitamins and benefits for your skin to get all that antioxidant na mga benefits. And if hindi nyo pa nanonotice, yung consistency talaga niya, guys, from a lotion na ganito, ang bilis mag-blend. Ang bilis na mag-blend, and parang very, nagme-melt lang din talaga into a watery feeling. And siguro napapansin nyo na na parang may pattern. Ganun talaga yung mga types of lotions na gusto ko. Yung parang serum burst consistency talaga. Kasi super presko yung feeling nila eh. And aminin ninyo, kahit sa gabi, di ba may mga times na parang ang init-init pa rin during the summertime. So it's really nice to have lotions that feel this way. Ang the best pa is kapag nag-apply ka ng ganito tapos nahanginan siya, whether pinaypay mo, na electric fan, super presko talaga yung feeling. As in, konting ganyan mo lang ngayon, parang, oh my god, ang sarap ng feeling. Wow! So ito talaga, I would say this is already my go-to lotion. Like if I think about using a lotion, ito na yung ginagamit ko. Although, it's not the lotion that I would use for daytime kasi nga meron tong retinol and as you guys know, bawal gamitin ang retinol sa daytime. If you want a daytime version, actually, in-order ko rin kasama nung bagong stock ko, itong niacinamide na version. Ito pwede mo siyang gamitin during the daytime. So this one, wala siyang retinol. They just changed it to niacinamide and alpha-arbutin. So more of brightening siya. It's from the same brand. It's the Smoochkin's Nia-Arbutin Serum Lotion. Maraming claims na nakalagay na parang whitening siya, but don't worry, it's not a bleaching product. Ang niacinamide and ang arbutin are more brightening ingredients. So actually, hindi masyadong accurate to say that it's whitening. Yun lang kasi talaga ang mas naiintindihan ng mga Pilipino. But let it be known, ito, pampapantay lang talaga siya ng skin tone. And yun din naman talaga yung mas gusto ng Pilipino. Hindi naman lahat gustong pumuti. A lot of us just want skin tone na mas pantay. Kasi pag pantay siya, mas nag-glow siya, di ba? May mga tao lang talaga na sadyang na may mix up nila yung terms na parang, ay, gusto ko i-lighten yung skin ko, so bibili ako ng whitening product. But anyway, this one, very similar consistency. Ilalagay ko naman siya sa legs ko. Yan, very water consistency siya, as you guys can see. Baka nakikita nyo na rin yung pasa ko rito. Wow. So from a lotion, kapag spread mo, ang bilis niya talagang matunaw. This one has more of like a powdery scent that you actually might enjoy more sa paggamit talaga during the daytime. And ang niacinamide kasi talaga, whether daytime or nighttime mo siya ginagamit, whether dry, oily, normal, yung skin mo, it has a lot of benefits. So kung gusto mo lang talaga ng day and night lotion na hindi mo na iniisip, you can use this one. But I will say, during the morning, kailangan mo pa rin mag-sunscreen. So, recap tayo. For my nighttime routine naman, basically, parang 2 or 3 steps lang siya if you count yung nasa shower na step. So, cleanser, and then deo, and then my nighttime lotion. And ganun lang talaga siya kasimple. So, umaga, pinapalitan ko lang din yung mga products na to. And ito talaga, guys, I promise, very lightweight yung feeling sa skin. Perfect na perfect if you want that presko feeling for summer. Now, ang usual na tanong ng mga tao is, available ba yung mga products na to sa Watsons, and actually a lot of these are not available sa Watsons. Yung Lux Organics, of course, available siya. Yung Vaseline na product, yes, available din to. But for example, yung sunscreen ko from my daytime routine along with yung mga lotions na to and yung deo, hindi sila available sa Watsons. They are more online-based brands. So para hindi na kayo mahirapang hanapin sila, we'll just put it on the lower part of your screen. Hanapin nyo na lang na andun sila and it will lead to the legit and authentic stores on Shopee and Lazada. Pero kung di nyo sila mahanap on the lower part of your screen, of course, we will also put it sa description box para mas madali. But all in all, I hope you guys found this routine helpful, and if you want product recommendations na mabibili rin sa Watsons for the body, maglalagay na rin ako ng mga videos here. One for brightening and one for yung chicken skin or yung mga bumps sa skin or if you feel any roughness. Medyo mas in-depth yung mga concepts sa video na yon. Ito kasi parang mas application na. But as usual, guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!